Hello guys! So today after watching our last video that we are having to add more details to our writing from yesterday. So making sure you have your writing paper from yesterday and a pencil. If not, go ahead and pause the video and start it when you're ready. As you can see, I've got my writing. It says, I want a puzzle because it is fun. Now, just like Alex in our story, I Want a Iguana, I need to give more reasons as to why I should have a puzzle. So I'm thinking something that's safe about a puzzle is I can do it inside my house right now. And kind of like what I talked about yesterday, I know by doing a puzzle, it's making my brain muscle grow even stronger because it's having to work hard to solve the problems in the puzzles to make them fit together, right? So that's what I'm going to focus on for my reasons today. So the first one I'm going to say, I can do a puzzle in my house. Oh, there's a lot of words. Ready? I can do a puzzle in my house. 5 and 3 is how many? 8. I hope you're not forgetting our numbers. Okay, so here's where my period is from yesterday. And I'm gonna start with I, so I know I can fit it on the same line. I'm not starting a new paper or a new line just because it's a new day. So I, spaceman can. Can's not gonna fit, so I am gonna come over here. I can do, that's a sight word, D-O. A, spaceman, puzzle. If you forget how to write it, looking at your paper, I already sounded it out. I can do a puzzle, spaceman, in. That's another sight word. I-N. I can do a puzzle in my. How do we spell my? Y. Good. In my house. I think I could fit it here. House. House. I can do a puzzle in my house. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Period. And I said by being able to do a puzzle in my house, that means it's a safe activity. Because remember, right now we're having to stay home so that we can keep everybody safe. So I'm going to say, it is safe. Oh, that's a pretty easy sentence. Let's count how many, ready? It is safe. So I need to start with a capital letter. I'm going to start over here. It, spaceman, is. That's another sight word. It is safe. Let's stretch it out, ready? Safe. Say it fast. Safe. Snyder. A, oh, it's saying A. A. So remember, sometimes when it says its name, we need to add a magic E at the end. So in the word safe, to make it say A, I have to do a magic E. It is safe. End of my sentence, period. So there's 2 sentences there, but I'm gonna keep writing and add that how it can use my brain muscle. That way it will make me smarter. So I want you guys to start your writing. I need at least 2 more sentences about why you should get what you want. I hope not everybody is writing about wanting a puzzle. This should be what you want right now. I can't wait to read it, guys. Bye.